Hey there, tired of logging into multiple sites to pay bills? Setting up recurring bill pay in your Fidelity cash management account automates your payments and keeps everything in one financial ecosystem. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. In your account, go to the Bill Pay service. Click Add a Payee and enter the company's name or your account number with them. Once the payee is set up, you can schedule a recurring payment, choose the amount, frequency, monthly, quarterly, and start date. Fidelity will then send the electronic payment or mail a check on your behalf on the scheduled date. My crucial pro tip: start with a small, test payment. Before you set your mortgage or car payment on autopilot, send a one-time, small dollar payment to the payee to ensure the routing information is correct and the payment is received properly. Then switch to recurring. That's how you build a reliable, automated bill payment system with confidence. Do you use your bank's bill pay, or do you let each creditor auto-debit from your account? Share your preferred method below. For more guides on automating your financial life, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.